Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up custom ringtone in Samsung A36 or A56. If you want to set up custom ringtones too, just have to open your Play Store app and here just install the app, open search and search for Zedge. Just search for this and install this app. Just tap on install and it will be installed on your phone. You just have to wait for installation and then we'll get a setup. After installation, you just have to open the app. Just tap on open and it will be opened. And here just select accept and continue. Then select allow if you want to allow notification. I'm going to select not now and select cross icon. And here just select ringtones and you'll get different ringtones. You just have to select which one you want to set. And I'm going to set this one for example. Just tap on it. Then tap on download icon. And here just tap on set ringtone, tap on allow permission, then go back and you can see stated standard ringtone has been updated. Just tap on download icon again, then tap on set ringtone. So you can see ringtone has been updated. So in this way you can easily set up custom ringtone in your Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.